Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a much simpler look. I've been doing a lot of glitter looks and not everybody is into glitter. So I just wanted to do a simple 20-minute look if you are just in a hurry and wanted to just have your lips pop and just let that be the show. This is the look for you. So if you are interested in seeing how to get this look, then please stay tuned. Please also continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Alright, beauties, let's get started on this look. We're using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set. And I'm just going to be just doing hair-like strokes to create the brow. I'm so sorry this took so long to be put up, you guys. I did this last weekend, but my daughter's been getting a lot of auditions and it's been taking a lot of time. And every time I'm about to try and do this, another audition comes in. Whew, look at those brows, a mess. So I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige to clean them up. But yes, you guys, it's been super busy, but I was like, I'm going to get this out. So this is going to be a late upload. So I hope you guys catch it. All right, so we got both eyebrows cleaned up. And now I'm using my concealer as an eyeshadow base and going into this tan color from the Perception palette and using that as a brow transition color. Then I'm going to cut my crease using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. And as you can see, I'm just going right across my crease and winging it out. And you can take your time to do that and you won't have to worry about it being, you just want to get it as perfect as possible. Don't stress yourself. So then I went into that light white. It looks like it's white, but it comes off actually like a light goldish white color. It's like a white gold. And then I went into this gold color. So this is like a pure gold. And then into the bronze color. And added that to the tail end. So then I went back into that tan color to just blend out my crease once again with that transition color. And now I'm using my NYX matte eyeliner to create my liner. I'm so sorry about the lighting, you guys. I had this one light in the front and it was just creating that cast. Now I'm going back into that white gold and using that as a brow highlight and also an inner corner highlight. Then into that e.l.f. Glow Lotion to moisturize my face. Then into the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer to prime my skin. Now with the 24 Hour Stay Maybelline Foundation in 334 and the Estee Lauder Youth Serum. And I don't have that color, but I can put that down if you do need it. And I mix those two colors to create my perfect complexion because the 334 is way too golden and the Youth Serum is neutral, so it ends up working out. I'm just blending that out. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige once again to highlight under my eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose, chin, and under my cheekbones. And then I'm going into the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze in order to contour and bringing that around my face. around my nose, cheekbones, and blending that out with the Sonia Kashuk sponge. And you just want to take your time and get it all blended out perfectly. And sometimes I blend my highlight first, sometimes I blend my contour first. It just depends. Either way, it's going to come out. So you can go either way you want to do. I'm just blending, blending, blending. And now I am adding my Sacha Buttercup powder to set my highlight. If you guys hear doors opening and shutting, I'm so sorry. My kids, it's like, seriously, I just did this long audition with you and you just can't let me be great, you know? So in the Southeast, when you do auditions, it's primarily self-tapes. So we have to go over the lines, learn the lines, tape the audition, edit it, and upload it following the directions. So it's a very long process, which is why it's been taking me so long to get this uploaded. Now I'm using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Bronzer from the Queen Collection and just bronzing up in all the areas where I contoured. And then I'm just brushing away the highlight and contour with my two setting powders from CoverGirl. This is the medium one, and then the dark one will set my contour. I want it to be closer. I have to work on my setup. When I got my new ring light, which is why it looks like a lot more clear, but the way the ring light is set up, it's so far away that I look super far away. I wish there was a way to zoom it because I want you guys to be able to see closer. And this is a look that is for my people who don't know, don't want to do all the intricacies. You just want a simple look. This is for you because I know I've done a lot of glitter looks. And if you're not into the glitter and you just want to do more of a simple look, this is for you for sure. And right underneath my contour, I add a little bit more setting powder just to make it crisp and cut that cheekbone. Then I'm going back into those two colors. It's like that white gold, and then it's like a champagne color for my inner corner highlight because it wasn't popping how I wanted it to. Then back into that transition shade, and I'm putting the transition shade underneath my under eye. Then going in with my L'Oreal Extreme liner and just lining my waterline and tight lining. Then going back into the Perception palette and blending out the bottom once again with the transition color. Then this is the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal that I'm using for my natural lashes. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And then this is my lashes that I got from AliExpress. I'm going to put those on, but first I'm blending away the powder. Then adding some blush. I forgot to bring the blush over to where my makeup station was, so I just used what was left on that brush. And then I went into the Booming highlighter from Makeup Shayla's collection with ColourPop Cosmetics. It is my favorite highlighter at the moment. I feel like it's the perfect tone for my skin tone, and it really is just a nice pop-in highlight that melts into the skin. And then I'm just blending away the harsh lines. So even with my highlighter, I like to blend away the harsh lines at the top and the bottom. Then I'm adding my lashes. I just had to put the glue on them, and as I did the highlighter, I let them dry, and now I'm adding them. Then putting a little bit of the eyeliner over the lash band to make them look a little more natural. And then I'm going into this Muse lipstick from Violet Voss for outlining my lips. And then in with this lipstick from Unique. I have to get the color. I cannot think of it at the moment. But I'm using this red lipstick. It is one of my favorites. I like to use the dark color first to add some dimension. Then I'm just adding the highlight to my Cupid's bow. Alright, now we got to do something with this head. Ooh, there she goes, honey. Alright, beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really wanted to do something that was pretty simple and easy for beginners, and something that could be like an everyday look or just an easygoing look if you're in a hurry but you still want to be able to have something that pops. So you guys let me know what you think about this look below. I really like how it came out nice and glowy and not too much going on, but just enough. So thank you guys so much. Please continue to like these videos, share, and subscribe so we can get our subscriber count up and we can continue to grow. Thank you guys so much for your support. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.